Hello everyone, welcome back to the Techers. My name is Surmeet, and for this video I'm going to start with C++, and I will be also covering the starting of other languages like Java, Python, and Arduino, just because there are some concepts which are similar but in a different syntax. C and C++ are very similar. The basic, like very minor difference that we experience is how to take the input and the display the output. What is the header file? That is one of the basic difference, and the main difference is that C was not an object-oriented programming, but C++ is. We will cover more about object-oriented programming, and I will give first the introduction in a separate video about how to think about what is an object-oriented programming and what are objects. I have seen a lot of people getting confused between it, but for this one, let's focus on starting the introduction with C++. Okay, so here I have my compiler, same compiler code blocks. For starting the C++, you have to go new and then select project, go to console application, select go. Then when you're going next, select C++ option here, next, and you have to also select which folder. I have done back to the folder where I was saving my other projects, like I can show you. This is my C and this is my C++. So I've selected the folder and I can do the project title as, well, intro. So this is like basic introduction for C++. And next, basically finish. Now if you go and see on the left hand side, you have sources as main CPP. And once you start looking at the code, you would already immediately see some of the basic differences. Instead of the stdio.h, we are using iostream. So this is the different header file that we'll be using. And another line which is using namespace std is being used. All right, so these are it depends on the compiler. The earlier I have done like a different compiler which I've already mentioned back in C videos, Turbo C, which I was using. In that, instead of this line, we just use iostream.h and conio.h, which is console input output.h. But for this compiler code blocks, we need this line using namespace std, and same int main, rest everything is same. The other thing is, instead of printf, we will have cout, and then this arrow left, less than sign, and yeah, we won't have brackets. It would be something like this, and then again return 0. All right, so this is cout, and but if we have to take the input, we will use cin instead of the scanf variation of your other C programming language. All right, but rest the operators like addition, subtraction, equal to, multiply, subtraction, equal to, multiply, divide, modulus, everything remains same. There's no difference in that. Your loops, your for, while, do while, they all remain same. It's the same way of using it. They are very similar language. And I wanted to start this is because there are some more concepts like functions, using of pointers. I will explain in those separate videos what are functions and what are pointers and everything. File handling situation, everything is same, but C++ has some added features like function overloading, as I said, object-oriented inheritance using classes. Well, in C we use structures. This is classes, and our also cover up the introduction to Java in the next video as well, because Java is also very similar, but it is totally like, it's also object-oriented programming. It has a different way of syntax, more added features, faster language, but same things, the operators, shorthand operators, what do you call, functions. So all the basic C features are also there, and it is same using the loops, if else condition, everything is same in these three languages, but with some added features which we will cover up very soon. And I want to actually give you guys the introduction to object-oriented programming in the next video. First, what is the difference between object-oriented programming and your normal C programming? Okay, so that's it for this video. See you next time. And if you have any comments or any suggestions, or you have any request, you can put inside the comment box, or any questions, anything. I'll be more than happy to answer. All right, thank you. See ya. Bye.